Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to connect CodeBuddy CLI with Unreal Engine 5.8 using the MCP server. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, go ahead to search and search for command prompt and paste this command you can get in the description and hit enter. Okay, now write CodeBuddy. Okay, choose the first one, the last folder only you have. Okay, for example, let's see how. Okay, it works fine. Okay, let's move to the next step. Next step is to go here to Unreal Engine, open it. Select new project. Select 30% template and hit create. Okay, now go ahead to edit plugins. Search for MCP plugins. Name the first one, the second one. Search for editor toolset. This plugin enable it. And finally search for terminal. Enable it. After enabling those plugins, restart the editor by clicking this start now button. Okay, fine. Let's move to the next step. Next step is to go here to edit the preferences. Search for ModelContextProtocol.StartServer enable. Now let's go here to terminal. Go startup, go down this, make 3 arrays. Okay, for the first one, wanna copy this command, you can get the description. First one, set terminal errors. Ctrl-C or copy, paste it here. The second one, cd/d and paste the project path here. Let's set cd/d space. Now let's go right here. Run drawer, choose any folder from the list. Join Explorer. Go here, web projects. Project is project number 4. Go here and copy this path. Copy. Return here to editor preferences. Paste it. And closed. The final one is CodeBuddy. Copy. Fine. Now let's go here. Open Outlook. Make sure this command CMD is selected. After that, go here. Copy the configuration command here. As you can see, this command allows you to create an MCP JSON file in your root directory of the project. After that, enable this one. Okay, paste. Okay, the server has started, as you can see. Okay, after doing this, close the array and restart from here or from here. I want to restart from here. Close this one. Okay, fine. Go to tools, search for terminal. Okay, let's make the editor right here. Okay, as you can see, it works fine. Okay, as you can see, the CodeBuddy is connected successfully with the Unreal Engine 5.8 using the MCP server. Okay, thank you guys for watching this tutorial.